This is a NEET 2013 question. It says a wave traveling along the positive x direction, right? Let us stop there for a minute and explain what do you mean by that. So from a fixed point, a wave is traveling along the positive x direction this way. Origin, positive x-axis, negative x-axis. So for a wave, displacement can be expressed as, we have derived this expression, I am not doing all that, y equal to a sine omega t plus or minus kx, or in the other way, y equal to a sine kx plus or minus omega t. First thing that you need to know is, if a wave is moving along positive x-axis, here or here, we shall use negative sign. That means for a wave moving along a positive x-axis, it could be a sine omega t minus kx, or this could be a sine kx minus omega t. You can use any of these formats. So here, all these things are given in terms of x first. So I can write displacement equation as y equal to a sine kx minus omega t, where k is a constant called phase constant, whose value equal to 2 pi by lambda into x. I have derived all this in our regular lesson. You can see from where you got this formula, but that's the formula, right? But now it was given that it has a wavelength of 2 pi. So k becomes 2 pi by lambda is also 2 pi and x. So this value becomes automatically 2 pi by 2 pi, that is 1x. 2 pi cancels. It's the value of the k. And you also need to know what's the value of omega. We know omega equal to d theta by dt. After one rotation, angle covered is 2 theta in a time period t. So omega equal to 2 pi by t. But I know 1 by time period is frequency, as he has given frequency in the problem. So omega in our problem is 2 pi into value of the frequency is 1 by pi. Pi cancels. So omega equal to 2 units in the SI system. It was also given that displacement is equal to, along a wave having x direction having displacement along y direction, that's the maximum possible displacement, is given as 1 meter. So you substitute amplitude, omega and k in this equation, and the displacement becomes a equal to 1 sine k equal to x itself, omega equal to 2 t. That's a representation of the displacement of that wave. So if you look at the options, first option is the right option, that is representing that wave. So it's a very basic question. You need to understand the basic representation of a wave so that you can answer this question quite easily. That's it. Thank you for watching.